Candy Lee ankle support brace. So this is a breathable nylon elastic one size fits all brace that is suitable for sports or for any kind of extra support that you need. So it has an adjustable tightness that's easy to use. You can strap it really anywhere along the sleeve that you want. You can see this grippy kind of inner piece will really help it stay in place. Non-slip silicone that we were just looking at adds a little bit of friction, but it's still soft and comfortable. It's very breathable and you can still move around freely without feeling too restricted. So here's a look at that little extra piece. I actually like to sometimes pull it around my wrist, or you can place it in between your toes, or if you're using it as a arm brace like I'm demonstrating here, you can put it within your thumb and hand. So a few different ways to use it, both on your ankle as well as your wrist support. Check it out.